Hey everyone. I've gotten quite a few more followers since the last time I kind of give a tour around the shop. So, welcome to all the new folks following. I appreciate you following. Thanks for the support. And just want to give you guys kind of a walkthrough of my shop. So, start around from the outside. Well, this is my property here. Um, that's my dad's house right there. And then in front of that is my house. I put that back there for him. He's out there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's out there on his working on his car doing something. So I'm out here in the country, here in Central Florida. So this is my area of peace, I should say. But this is the outside the shop. The shop, it's just a 40 by 60 pole barn that I started building 5 years ago. Under those covers there are my tire machine and my brake lathe that I got to wait for my lean-to finish so I can move that stuff under there. Storage container, my toy hauler right there, the trailer itself. And this is it. So nothing fancy, just like I said, 40 by 60 pole barn. And then when you come inside, my ceiling is 16 feet high there. The back wall and front walls are 14 feet high. So I didn't want to do just a flat ceiling. I wanted to do something kind of a little bit different from what I normally see. So I did like the cathedral style ceiling in here. These are Hyperlight high bay lights that I've used. I've got 13 of them in here. Been really good, brighten up the whole place as you can see. Looks really good lighting in here. So excuse the mess. I haven't cleaned the floors in a good month and a half. Just been slam busy and traveling for work. So so this is the shop here. A lot of you been kind of following along with the Lancer. Made some great progress on it today. I posted a video earlier of kind of where I'm at now. So got a lot of this cleaned up already. So we're almost there. Much closer. And yeah, this is kind of it. Watching an episode of Texas Metal right now. This is kind of my, veterans and retired military folks kind of usually have like a war wall kind of thing, right? Captures all their achievements and stuff. So this is kind of my version of that. Got my degrees and, my military service stuff and then my trade school stuff there. And some of the coins and awards that I received when I was in the Army still. And got my couches, my desk is right here. I've got a lot more man cave stuff that's going to be going up over the next couple of weeks, so I'll be doing updates while I do that. I've decided that I'm going to pretty much dedicate this wall here to like all the movies I watched growing up, and when I was younger, that kind of got me, I guess inspired my passion for cars a little bit more, kind of made me want to mod cars and get crazy with them, stuff like that. So I'm basically gonna do like a poster, like a movie poster wall right here of all those kind of movies. I'm gonna do that there. I got a rug coming for here as well. So that'll be done. Yeah, and then over here, I got workbench. I got 3 workbenches, one for each bay kind of work area. This is like my engine building space. So I got a workbench there, and that's a bench for that lift. That one's over there for the other lift over there. So 2 lifts. And got my new age cabinets right there. So this is it, man. Yeah, I mean, from start to finish, me and my dad probably did 70% of this building. So the concrete on the floor and the epoxy on the floor, I paid to have those done. The main pole barn structures, paid for that to get done. My dad and I did all the enclosing, all the sides. It had no sides. So yeah, I did all the painting in here myself. That was a ridiculous amount of work, more than I thought it was going to be. But yeah, so this is the shop. That is the actual toy hauler. That's my truck there. And out here is where the lean-to is going to be. I've kind of already started it right there, but I'm going to have lean-to here that goes out 20 feet. Gonna do concrete on the floor here. And this space here is gonna have I have my air compressor, my Ingersoll Rand air compressor is gonna go there. Tire machine, balancer, washing machine, dryer, sink, sandblaster is gonna be right there in that corner. And plasma cutting table is gonna be out there somewhere. And I'll have my powder coat set up for over there as well. So that's kind of what we're working towards. Again, I got a lot going on, so it's coming slowly, but it is coming along. So yeah, but this is the shop. If anyone has any questions about it, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. And then yeah, that's my SCCA Miata race car, SCCA Volkswagen GTI, SCCA Lancer race car, and that's my Subaru STI ESX edition right there. So right now, the only thing running right now is that one. This is close second here, as you guys know. About to get that, gonna hopefully start that up tomorrow for the first time since the rebuild. And then once I get this car done, it'll be for sale. It's got a full SCCA, it's got an SCCA logbook. I've raced it a few SCCA races before I tore it apart. Man, this will be going up for sale. And then once I get this running and it's done, my full attention is going to go to the Volkswagen. I need to get this thing back on the road, so I'm going to be going 100% effort on this thing to get it done. But yeah, thanks for joining, folks. I appreciate it.